Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click create, choose videos, landscape video, go to the timeline, click this plus button, blank, click on the background and change the background color, choose any color you want. And let's drop the image that we want to use. Let's use, for example, this one. Place it in the center. Go to elements, shapes, choose the square and resize it like this. Make it touch the borders. Go to transparency, make it 0, select all and group. And let's place this image in the left side and click this zoom page and increase and make 1.5 seconds. And go to text, type your text, and let's change the font. Let's use Lava Pro Grange. Change the color to white color. Duplicate. Let's make another text. Decrease the size and place the text in the top and keep just this transparent parts and place the text in the left as well. Adjust the duration, make all the same duration. Click on the image, animate with baseline, change the direction and decrease the speed and duplicate all these elements. Go to the second page, click on the image, go to animate, remove animation and increase the size of this image. Make it like this. Click on the text in the timeline and drag it inside the frame. Increase the size. Click in the second one and drag it inside. And let's increase the duration. Transition, match and move. Increase the duration. And now go to elements and type splash graphics. Click this little arrow and go to animation, choose animated. Let's choose this one, drag it to the timeline. Let's place it behind the image and let's crop it. Let's make it appear just in this part. And go to elements again and type doodle. And let's use this element and let's place it here and make it in the top of this image. Let's place it here. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.